How to post stories on your Instagram desktop. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to post stories on your Instagram desktop. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So here you can see I don't have any your story option. I'm going to just right click on the background of my browser and then scroll down in this menu to this inspect option and choose it. Now once this opens, you have to click this icon over here, and then you simply have to choose a dimension. Once you click this option, just choose the dimension that you want. I'm going to go with iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now reload this page. Now once you reload this page, you can see I have this your story option over here. You simply have to cross this, and now you can just simply add the story that you want. Click this plus sign, and then you can just add the story from your desktop or device. So that's a process that you can follow to add a story to your Instagram on your PC. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.